In today's world, financial stability and a freedom is a more challenging. And HVAC business brings more opportunity where you will have more freedom, where you will have a more financial stability. Hi, my name is Praful Varma, welcoming you at another video of Moksh Lifestyle Hub. When we talk about HVAC business, prominently, we only not do a service to a homeowner providing art of service in terms of supplying a cooling or heating product. We also have an enormous opportunity where we'll be having a multiple source of income in the business itself. And HVAC business brings a key for the freedom financial. And in this video, we'll be discussing in depth and in detail with my 6-step process where we'll understand and crack the code, like how you can follow each steps implementing in your business, where you can get a maximum outcome in terms of having a stable financial, and you will have a more freedom where you can spend more time with your loved ones. So I'll take you to my screen share and we'll discuss one by one in detail, understanding how you can achieve your goal. So as you could see on my screen, we will discuss my 6-step process, which is a proven process. And in that, the first thing comes a stable demand. When I say a stable demand, you will agree to me that in HVAC business, you will have a throughout the year business coming in where you will be serving to your customers in terms of a heating product or cooling product. You will be serving with your expertise. You will be serving your product and service. So you will have a stable demand throughout the year. And being an expert, being a professional in HVAC industry, you have to make sure that you should utilize the maximum for this particular scenario where you will have a throughout the year business coming in. So when you will utilize this, certainly you will be consistently doing your services to your customer. Same time, you will be promoting your product either in form of cooling or heating, and you will be having a more profitability optimization. So this will help you to make sure that you will have a stable financial situation throughout the year, and same time you will have a more freedom. Now coming back to the second point, here when we talk about second point, it is a lucrative opportunity. So when I say lucrative opportunity, you will agree to me that if you are in HVAC industry business, your technology is day by day getting enhanced, and you may be requiring expert who can able to provide the prominent service to your customer, and he will be well versed with the equipment, the quality of the product, the system configuration. So you will have an opportunity where you can, if you leverage your skill, your expertise, it will not only help you to only demand from the market about the premium. You will be also building your business in and around of your skill, your expertise, and this will make sure that you will have a lot of opportunity coming in where you will have a financial stability. So lucrative opportunity here, if I could sum up, I'll say that if you are a skilled professional as far as the HVAC business concerned in terms of a sales service, you can able to leverage your skill, leverage your expertise, and you can build a business around that, which will be making sure that you'll be optimizing your skill, and you'll be increasing your profitability. And this will only not make sure that you'll be earning a good amount of money. It will also help you to establish yourself as expertise in that particular marketplace. Now, third point comes recurring revenue. When we talk about recurring revenue, you will agree to me that when you'll be providing supplying equipment, when you'll be serving your customer, you will have a huge opportunity where you'll be doing your after sale service. You will be maintaining those equipments. So when you'll be maintaining those equipments, and when you'll be promptly supplying your services, which is after sales service, you will be signing a contract with your customer, because in the first year you may have a warranty services where company is providing services, whereas next year onwards you will have an opportunity where you will be signing a contract with your customer, and you'll be regularly on a regular interval doing a product services to your customer, and this will help you to create a recurring revenue, which will be additional business for you year on year. So the more you will have a customer, you will have a more recurring revenue coming in, and it will be a sustainable income which will be calculated month after month, and it will have a throughout the year flow. So you will understand one thing, like it is not a selling a product where you will make a money. It is after sales service, your warranty contract or a maintenance contract when you will be doing with your customers, you will be making money in terms of a recurring revenue. So you will have a multiple source of income coming in, where you will be supplying a spare part, you will be maintaining those equipment, you'll be supplying your equipment. So these all things will help you to make sure that you will have a multiple source of income coming as far as the HPC business concerned. Now, fourth point comes upselling and cross-selling. When I say upselling and cross-selling, you may be talking to your customer in terms of energy efficiency, because today technology has gone so advanced where every now and then there are a new technology getting introduced to the market. You will have a more the energy efficient product which is coming to the market, and when you keep a tab on any information which is coming to the market, you can always communicate with your customer, and you can always showcase your product, saying that if you are going to have this particular equipment, there you are going to save more electricity, where customer will have a more saving in terms of electricity, and they'll be paying a less bill, and they'll be getting a more cooling in terms of the entire equipment. So they'll have a smart home solution which is there in the home. They can go in with a upgradation of thermostat. They can be these are the things which you'll be communicating to your customer. This will help you to upsell your product. This will also help you to cross sell your product, and in doing this, it will be a win-win situation for you and for your customer, because your customer gets a latest equipment, latest product. There he'll be saving more power in terms of electricity bill, where it will be pocket friendly for him, and same time you'll be upgrading your product, so you will be having a new business coming in. So either of the cases, it will be a situation where it will have a win-win situation. So when you will be upselling and cross-selling your product, it will be beneficial for your business. Now coming to the fifth point, adaptability and innovation. See, you have to keep a tab, because as I told you, market is keep on enhancing, new products are coming to the market, new technology is coming to market. When you keep a tab on those things, you can always communicate with the customer, and it is more or less interrelated, like upselling, cross-selling, and adaptability and innovation. Because when you keep a tab on the latest technology, you will know what exactly is happening in the market, what is the new technology which is coming to the market, and that always you can communicate with your new customer as well as the existing customer. So when you will be communicating with a new customer, you will be getting new business coming in, and it will always always establish you as a product. It will always establish you as a authority, where you will be seen as an expert for that particular product, that particular technology. And when you communicate with your customer, your customer will get a feel that you are the subject matter expertise, and it will make you to stand apart from the competition. You will have a more opportunity and more chances to catering to that customer, where you will have a competition free. So adaptability and innovation will always benefit you in terms of your personal knowledge, and you will be communicating with your customer, which will in turn convert as a business for you, where you can upsell your sale. Now, fifth, sixth, and last point come building wealth through ownership. See, when you'll be following these steps, you'll be literally what you are doing it. You will be building your authority as a subject matter expert. Your expertise will help you to showcase your product, upscale your business, upscale your sale. So this will also help you to build your business in and around, which I told in the first step. And when you build a business in and around your expertise, your knowledge, this will help you to create a multiple source of income. This will also help you to build a wealth for future. So you will not be only, because when you'll be selling more product, you'll be maintaining those products, you'll be regularly, you'll be creating a recurring revenue where you'll be having a multiple source of coming month after month or quarter after quarter, or probably in annual terms. So one side you are slowly increasing your base, where you'll be having a more equipment to maintain, where you will have a fixed set of money coming in. You'll be utilizing a spare part also, and you'll be selling a new product also. So these all things will combine, put together. You can build a business around that, and this will help you to build a wealth through wealth as a owner. So it is a beneficial not only for your organization, it is beneficial for the customer also. So if you follow this 6-step process, this will help you to establish yourself as a subject matter expertise, and same time it will also help you to make sure that you will have a stable income coming month after month, and you will have a more freedom where you can think about a new aspect, new technology, new innovation, and you will have more time for your loved ones, where you can spend more time having a multiple source of income created. So with this 6-step process, I have given you a lot of insight which will help you, and this is all proven method which you can utilize it in your day-to-day business to upscale your services, upscale your product. And if you are a HVAC business expert and professional, then I'm giving a link here. I'm giving a link in the description also. So you can click the link below and see the available slot where you can see book appointment for one-on-one, where I can understand your challenge and I can give you a solution which will help you to scale your business to sell through your journey. And if you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe, and don't forget to pressing a bell icon, because I am keep on producing lot of HVAC related, sales related content, business related content. This will, and all the contents are very practical content. So this will help you to take your business to the next level. So see you with my new topic in my next video. Till then, thank you for watching this video. God bless you.